This video is to show you how to log volunteer hours when they volunteer for a club or a group activity. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the volunteer activities at the top of a volunteer record, and you're going to click New Volunteer Activity, Continue, and then you're going to fill out everything you can. So the type of activity would be, let's say for our head soccer coach, it would be a club. And then you'd pick the category sports, and then you could say be a soccer, oopsie, give it the name, and then you will put the location. If you don't see it here, you could just do community partner for any kind of a community park. Volunteer type, you either pick lead if they're the head coach, or an assistant or aide if they're a helper. And then you would put in attended. If they drop for any reason, you would come back and update it to canceled or no show. You put in the volunteer hours. So if it's 2 hours each for 4 weeks, the total volunteer hours would be 8 hours. And then you would put in the start date and end date, or if it's a one-day activity, you can just put the date field. So for soccer, for example, it would be the 7th through the 28th, or for jewelry making, it would just be the one day. I think that was the 29th. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then that's it. You make sure to save that, and if you can go back and do that for your mom for jewelry making, and then all of the soccer coaches and who else? The soccer coaches and cooking coaches. Don't do it for yourself because you get paid. And then if you have a coach that's not in the system, like maybe Mira, John's daughter, just let me know, and I'll work out the best way to add them in the appropriate way. Let me know if you have any questions on this. Thanks.